Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Sonny Stukov, the CEO of Novalia, and I'm thrilled to have the opportunity to introduce you to our incredible company and one of our brightest stars, Golden Greg. Novalia is more than just a company. It's a game changer in the world of prospecting on Facebook and connecting with potential customers. Our mission is to simplify the process of finding and engaging with your target audience on the world's largest social media platform. We provide innovative tools and solutions that empower businesses to reach their full potential and grow like never before. But today I want to focus on someone who embodies the spirit of Novalia, and that's Golden Greg. Greg is not just one of our best representatives. He's an exemplary human being with qualities that truly set him apart. Greg is not just about sales numbers, he's about people, relationships, and genuine connections. Greg possesses a unique blend of professionalism and warmth that makes everyone he interacts with feel valued and heard. He's not just selling a product, he's building relationships and helping businesses achieve their goals. Greg's commitment to customer success and his unwavering dedication to our company's values make him a true asset to Novalia. If you're looking to learn more about Novalia and how we can help you supercharge your prospecting efforts on Facebook, I strongly encourage you to get in touch with Golden Greg. Not only will you discover the power of our innovative tools, but you'll also experience the joy and enthusiasm that Greg brings to everything he does. He not only help you understand Novalia, but also make the journey enjoyable and fun. So don't hesitate to reach out to Golden Greg because with Novalia, you're not just joining a company, you're joining a community of passionate individuals who are dedicated to your success. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to seeing the incredible results you can achieve with Novalia and the guidance of Golden Greg.